Hey guys, Michael Valentino from Crusader Caravans in Melbourne, and today I have the pleasure of highlighting, showing you, and demonstrating something brand new that I've had the pleasure of mucking around with. And when I say have the pleasure of mucking around with, I've had 4 staff members watch me install it and critique how I did it. So it's an awesome experience for everyone and definitely not self-deprecating. So today I'm going to show you a product called the EnviroSave. This is what I would refer to as a recirculator. So it is something that gets installed at the hot water service, at a sink, at a particular sink. You can install them at all of your sinks, but it's really just looking as to what the payoff's going to be. So in this instance, we've gone ahead and we fitted this one straight out of the hottie, so that way it will service all of the caravan's water appliances. So we have our kitchen sink, we have our basin and our ensuite, and we have our shower. Now, what does it do? Great question, Mitchell. So what this valve actually does is this valve will save water for you. But how does it do it? So with an instantaneous hot water service, which is all the craze nowadays for the young kids, yes, you Teresa, cheeky thing, we have gone ahead and put this valve in. So what it does is as the hot water comes out of the unit, it's not super hot. It's not 50 degrees or, you know, whatever you're going to be showering in, right? I love a hot shower, so I want it stifling, right? I want those 3rd-degree burns sort of heat. So the hot water comes out, but it's not super hot because it's trying to get its flow on, get its jam on. So that water normally would just hit the basin, hit the waste, straight out of the van. Can't actually save it, but this is where this valve comes in. So what it does is that water, it diverts and it then puts it somewhere. Where does it put it? Well, calm down, I'll tell you. It is going straight into a water tank of your choice. Now, on this particular one, I've gone straight into one of the tanks. I've teed off the line underneath this little tank just here because it's nice and easy, but you can put it on the suction side of the pump. You can put it into both water tanks if they're balanced or whatever works for you. It's your van, your life, you decide. And of course, Crusader Caravans, you want this added to your caravan, go ahead and add it through your dealer. But here, we're just telling you about this one. So we've installed it, we've put it all in. I'm going to give you an idea as to how it works. So let me show you the plumbing side of it, how it all makes sense, how it's going to save you liters, because it actually matters. And then we're going to see it in action and see what that delay time looks like. So meet this guy over here. This is our little valve here. So we have, if we follow the hot water outlet goes down, it goes elbows over, and then meets this little nut just here, right? So that's where our hot water enters, right? So hot water in, and then what it does is because it hasn't reached temperature, right? So it sends that water up, down, and down to the water tank, and then begins filling the tank up. So if you're in a free camp scenario, you're recycling that water, you're getting that water, and it's still absolutely fresh to use, still, you know, ready to drink, ready to shower, and whatever works, right? But when the hot water service has done its job, he's amped up, he's hot, all the water going through is nice and ready to roll to the kitchen sink. It then allows that water to pass out of the valve, and then it continues to the hot water line, and then it gets all that water that's going around the van hot. So that way, all that wasted water, and you're probably thinking, oh, but how much water could it possibly save? It flooded my shop. It gives you an idea. So before I hooked it up to the tank, I wanted to actually see like how much wastage is there when you're waiting for that water to get hot. The guys were mighty pissed off when they walked outside and the whole van was covered in a puddle. I estimate, I don't know, like 10, 12, 15 litres. Like, it was a fair amount. Now it's cold here in Melbourne right now, so the colder, the longer, right? So you can watch the other video where we tame the actual valve going into the instant water to be able to change the time at which the speed of the water goes through it. But that's a whole different discussion. And that past Michael, I got nothing on him. So that is the valve. So what's the delay? You got to make sure your gas bottles are on, make sure your hot water service is on, crank it up to 50 or whatever you want to set it to, and we'll jump over to the base and we'll actually have a look and see what's the delay. And then go ahead and get one fitted. Buy one. Why not? Let's have a look. So we open this up like we've just done, and then this water coming through is at temperature. It is hot. It is ready to roll. And wastage wise, we haven't really had any because it's only whatever's been in the line, and now we've got stifling hot water. So in terms of the feedback we're getting from customers is they want to be able to conserve water. This is the first step to doing that. before you start standing in a bucket and using recycled water to, wash clothes or whatever you're going to do with it, the EnviroSave valves are fantastic and something that I would definitely recommend looking at. You know what else you should look at? All the other videos we've got online to be able to see what other little tips, tricks, or heat, water, temperature savings that you guys can get. Heck, we might even be able to put you in a new caravan. Who knows? So check out the YouTube channel. We've got a whole heap of videos there. You can head to our website where we've got all these awesome brand new caravans. You look fantastic in one, Teresa. www.crusadercaravansmelbourne.com.au. Alternatively, you can pick up the phone, one of those little Duvalakis, 03 9359 2938. Come down to Melbourne. We're good looking down here. And you can just email us, hello@crusadermelbourne.com. We'll put a link to one of those EnviroSaves down below. Have a look, have a feel, have a touch, have a lick. It's up to you. I wouldn't judge what you lick. Bye.